all done properly? Check what the pins are.
There you go, you're all through under there.
I know where to sit, which is good vegetable.
Just Josephine, is
There we go. So, this year it's actually too hot. I don't know what the temperature is, but for us Brits it's pretty hot. And the children are seeking shade and drink. But Bumblebee is rigged and ready to go. He did a wonderful paint job. There we go, Bumble's ready for her new, well let's hope after all the paint she floats as well as she did before. It's last I think. Right, Izzy, are you looking forward to it? Do you understand the course? What is the course then?
Boy to boy.
And what side do you pass the boy?
Starboard?
Yeah, both boys to starboard. We're playing follow the leader and Elizabeth has ended up the leader. No, the other way darling, that's it, that's it. So keep pulling that a bit. We've lost the wind at the moment, haven't we Izzy? We were whizzing along quite nicely. No, stopped.
Mum, we're so close to shore.
That's fine, there's no wind. Right, straighten up, that's it. No, the other way, you were right, your instincts are right. It's okay, it's because there's no wind. It'll come in a minute, I can see the wind over there, see it? Charlotte's got a puff, she's still going.
Mummy, let the dagger board down with you.
There we go. So now they've been sailing and their favourite part.
Stay down, like, stay down.
The white ones, Izzy, and the lead with Sophie.
No, I asked her to go on it.
So this little, yeah. Winning. Looks like it. Yeah. Oh, they got to catch the balls. Look at them, they go really well.
Well, they've got an advantage over the kids only that they've only got one pad on them.
Some of them are standing up like bodyboards. Here we go, look. Okay, Elizabeth's not wearing a hat.
Yeah, and Sophie's not wearing a hat. And she's got a paddle instead of a paddle. She'd have done better with a paddle. She's steering it though.
Yeah. Okay. The power of mums. We're on duty today. I'm on duty today in the kitchen and it's 30 degrees, it's really hot. Izzy's having a wonderful time and I just saw her and her best friend had no hats on. So we had a little word with the instructor and now they're both wearing their hats. Quite chuffed with that. It's fun how the others all want to stand up but neither of our two wants to stand up. Sure if that would come out, but they're all having a tow to the strand in their boats. They very kindly took all the little tiny kids in their oppies over to the strand, they towed them, and then they've sailed back in the wind and the tide, which is lovely. They went and got an ice cream, so they've been on a real adventure. I think they're arguing over who's going to jump out at the moment. Okay, darling. No, don't get out yet, Soph. It's still deep. It's sloped, remember? Well done, Izzy. Good getting out. They look really strong. Do you see Richard actually pulling the boat? Woo! It's a children's show, Richard. Oh God! Izzy, keep going. Well, if you're quick enough, you should be all right. Yeah. Watch your rudder. Uh-oh.
Front, see if all the water's coming out. Round the back, is it all coming out?
Gonna attack them? Wow, look at that, brilliant. Ready? Well done, thanks girls. I think dinner's 10 minutes, okay? Okay, the lesson today was to rig your own boat and Izzy has just rigged it. Bumble is ready for action.
I'm not doing it,
Right, can you remember what it was called then? I can't remember either. Is it a turn and 2 half hitches?
Turn into half.
Something like that.
Full turn into half.
That's it.
That's what we're going to do.
So all the way around, that's it. And then up. No, yeah, and then few.
Is that it?
Elizabeth's now going to do a reef knot. Brilliant. Well done. You pick these knots up really quickly, don't you? Far quicker than your mother does. You can't do anything.
That's
better, yeah. You're going to jibe, so you're going to pull it towards your belly and the sail will come over your head. Ready? This is the one that goes boom, shake, shake, shake the room. There we go, and we let the sail out. Towards the second one is to pull it towards you a bit. No, towards you, baby, because you want to try and get some more wind in your sail.
Am I the first one?
Yeah. She's fine, it won't matter if she hits you. That's perfect though, Izzy. You're doing the steering perfectly. Now straighten up your hand on the edge. That's perfect, you did well. It's really good.
Is he going to tack?
No, you don't want to tack. Straighten up. Do you want to tack? Oh, you're tacking. Okay.
Let's go, I'm making it go.
Yeah, you can do that.
Straight.
You're going to tack and go to the white one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tacking.
Cut the corner off if you want to.
Tacking. Tacking. Keep tacking.
Keep tacking history.
Keep tacking. Keep tacking. Keep on tacking. Hi, sir.
Yeah.
And I can't swim on one foot for ages. Where is the pink one? No, boys!
No, I'm not. Go on, go and get on that one.
sailed well. I think everyone had a little frustrating times when the wind just wasn't being very helpful. We got really frustrated. And I think sometimes they thought they were sailing well. It wasn't the wind. I think they realised how well they were going. And I'm happy to say that they all completed their stage 2. So, no particular order other than the order the books had to have ended up in. Yes, thanks very much to Nick, Bill and Richard
She freaks me out, this child. I'm driving home. Love you. And Mummy's left to walk up the hill.